Asalaamu calaykum. Maanta barnaamijkeenu ka hadli doonaa waa barnaamij aad maalmahan ugu faafay baraha bulshada. Ninkani baabuurta ayuu dhaqaya, waa nin Afrikaan ah. Balse waxa uu u yimid ama nin kusoo baxay ninkan isagoo uu rabay inuu gaadhigiisa dhaqo. Laakiin ninkan waa ka diiday, waxaana ka qaadaya cagadii uu ku shaqaysanayay isagoo oo siinaya bucket maasas ku jiro, maaskii afka lagu xidhanayay. Yacni shaqo abuur cusub ayuu u sameynayaa. waayo waxa uu taagan yahay uu ku leeyahay yacni shaqadan shaqo wanaagsan ma ahan, baabuurta had dhaqayso wax faa'iido ah ma lahan, laakiin tan waad ka faa'iidaysaa. Lacag buu iminka u dhiibay, hal maas buu ka qaaday si uu u tuso maaskan yacni qiimihiisa inta uu joogo. Laakiin ninkani waa nin qanacsan shaqadan maanta loo dhiibayo, isaga ayaana doortay, waa iskaga tegayaa. Balse maalintii labaad isla halkii ayuu kusoo noqday isagoo oo yacni dhameeyay maasaskii loo dhiibay. waa kan ugu istaagayaa, wuxuu weydiinayaa ka waran shaqada. ugu faraxsan yahay, waa shaqo aad u fiican. Lacagtii ayuu tusaya maanta inta uu shaqeeyey. Balse ninkani waa nin rabo inuu ninkan shaqo abuur fiican u sameeyo, waayo maadaama uu hadda corona jiro oo maasaska dadku aad ugu baahan yihiin, laakiin wuxuu siinaya 2 maas hadda. balse iga hor dhici maayo, ila daawada fiidiyowga asxaabta ah.
Hey, my friend, come here. Come here. Come here. Stop this business. It is old school. This business is old. Put this thing here.
Yeah,
Hold this.
the mask pigment.
Sell mask.
Thank
See
you.
how much is it?
20 rand each.
Yes.
It's a good profit pigment.
Take here.
Because I am hot.
This is how you sell.
Thank you.
Bring one. Take this.
Pigment, thank you, pigment.
Thank you.
It's a nice business. Because
Yeah.
when
Put
I
it like
finish,
that.
when
Put it
I
like
finish
that.
where I stop, pigment.
I will bring more for you. All right.
Yes, you
Thank
find me
you.
here, because thank you, pigment.
Call him.
How are you, the pigment?
Hey, big man.
I respect.
How are you?
Good business, because I am.
Good business.
Good business, pigment.
Is it finished?
Finish all of them, because I am. Finish all of them. This is my profit, pigment. I
Oh.
don't know, pigment, if I can get another one. 'Cause
You want another one?
another one, please.
How many boxes you want?
Pigment, as enough as you can, because my brother, suppose I am. We managed to buy meal today, because
It's 10 run now, ne?
10 rand, pigment. God bless you. We managed
Good.
to buy meal. We share, me and my brothers, we ate. That's why
Yeah.
we want to say God bless you. 'Cause
Good.
it's a good job, 'cause
Now show me how much you make.
pigment. We already buy meal. You can ask there by the shop.
Yeah, good.
The big meal, because I am.
Take this.
God bless you. God bless you, Father.
Thank you, ne?
Specs, pigment. Better than the.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
God bless you, pigment.
Keep the money with you.
God bless
Thank
you,
you.
Father.
Thank
God
you.
bless you, pigment. Please come, my brothers. They also want job, because I am. They say this window wash. They leave.
Hey, big man.
How are you, Father?
How are you?
Father.
All
4
right.
days no see, Father. 4 days no see. People they want the mask.
Good.
Everybody they say I'm on YouTube.
That's
Everyone want good business, pigment.
good. So you
And now, pigment, I've got the money. I want to buy now, because make
want to
good
buy
business.
stock?
Yes, pigment.
good.
Yes, pigment.
You want to buy stock?
I want some more stock, because pigment is a nice job. This one giving us a
Good.
good job. We're able to support my brothers.
Good, good.
It
This
will-
time I want to change for you a business, ne?
Yes, pigment.
To this one.
Choice.
See?
Father.
Is it good business, ne?
Good business.
This
Father.
is how you
Good
change.
business, Father.
Hold this. This is, you see here?
Yes, Father.
This one, how you sell. You see this one?
Yes, Father. One for 50 rand each.
Yes. This is how you
Thank
sell.
you. I thank you a lot. 127% pigment.
You are
for
a good
making
man.
me a good businessman, pigment.
You are a good man.
May God give you more, because may God give you more, because everybody here on the street, my brothers, they are happy, because they asking me if I can give them job. Maybe
Yeah.
one day I'll be their boss, because
Yeah, I want to see you a boss.
thanks
I want
to
you to be a boss.
May God give you more, so that I can also become a boss, because
Thank you.
my brothers, we can all eat, buy some clothes for ourselves, not every day asking the robot, asking Mahala. I
Good.
thank you for making me good businessman.
Thank you.
God bless
Thank you.
Posa. Make sure, Posa.
Yeah, I will bring for you more stock.
Thank you, pigment.
And thank you for this, ne? Thank
Pigment,
you.
don't waste time.
Thank you.
Everybody social media, they want.
They want. That's good. That's good.
Thank you
That's
for
good.
God bless you, my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
brother.
Bye bye.
Shafik man.
ninkan aad arkaysaan shalay wuxuu ahaa nin yacni homeless ah oo nan shaqo hayn yacni baabuurta ha masaxo ayuu quduruuriisa keli jiray laakiin maanta nin shaqaysanayo noqday shaqo abuuraya loo sameeyey balse hadda waxa uu imanayaa ama uu kaxaynayaa yacni dukaanka uu kasoo iibsan lahaa waayo maanta isku filnaansho fiican uu gaadhay waa shaqayso lacag fiican uu haystaa deed waxa uu u kaxaynayaa dukaanka si uu usoo gato alaynta uu u baahan yahay waayo maanta lacagtiisa ayaa u shaqaynaysaa qofka markaad caawinayso looma eego qofkani ma afrikaanba ma carabba ma gaalba laakiin ilaahay wuxuu yahay iscaawiya halkaa aad arkaysa maanta nin shaqaysanaya noqday ka daawo mar waliba pagekayga khadir diir ama youtube-kayga